From my experience, ayahuasca can initiate powerful processes of psychological and emotional change. Many participants report that it helps them gain clarity around dysfunctional relationships, particularly long-term partnerships that no longer serve them. Often people describe lacking the strength of courage to leave such relationships. Through ayahuasca ceremonies and the visions they experience, they frequently report gaining insight and emotional clarity that allows them to make decisive changes, sometimes quite quickly. This process is not limited to romantic relationships. Participants often describe similar clarity regarding work-related issues, business challenges, or long-standing life decisions. Many report that they are able to identify simple, effective solutions to problems that previously felt overwhelming, leading to a sense of liberation from unhealthy attachments or limiting situations. In some cases, this includes freeing oneself from harmful group dynamics, manipulative leaders, or controlling belief systems. I've personally witnessed individuals who reported feeling released from such influences after ceremonies. Participants often describe emerging with greater self-confidence, what they experience as healthy, grounded self-confidence and the renewed sense of personal strength.